Okay, folks, today's the big day. We're going to start on this 95 40 Econoline. I'm going to do the head gasket. This is by popular request from the boys up in Canada. Mr. Moto. I hope I'm pronouncing you guys' name right. Hey, Junior, guess what?
What?
Do you know Canada has a new measuring system for distance?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it's called spitting. Yeah, true. One of those spittings. They invited us up there, you know. They mentioned that there next time we're up in Detroit, give them a holler out there. They're within spitting distance.
Okay.
So like, oh wow, they got a new measuring system now.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll invite us up for beer and barbecue. So hey.
Okay.
We started. We opened up the radiator. We let it drain. So next, we're going to be taking off the air cleaner to access the hoses, and we're going to empty out more. What the heck is that? I forget.
The overflow?
No, the fluid.
Antifreeze?
Antifreeze. My God, I forgot. Well, that's what happens when you get old. Hey, you know what? Maybe the old guy up in Canada and me, we get together and then we have our own YouTube channel called Two Old Guys.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll show you youngins how it's really done. No questions asked, no nothing. We understand what we're talking about. Okay, folks, we're gonna start taking some stuff off. And here we go, folks. We're starting. We're beginning to do the work on here. I want to get the air cleaner off. We got the box out. The air cleaner box, and I'm gonna show you the inside here. Two wires, another hose, wires. Now you can tell where my mind is. Here's another one. Got the disconnect, pull out from that box. Here's one, the second one, third one, and these. So now we can work down here and we can start taking the radiator out, and some more hoses I guess we can take out, but I'm going to try to avoid of taking off the air conditioner, because I really don't want to sit there and refill it all up again and all the nice good stuff. So I know it's down there somewheres. Let me get the light for you. Ah, there it is. Ford.